This is DIY-Mushroom-Tek with Chapter 2. This is the beginning of the tutorials section. Before we start, I did put a lot of work into this lecture series. I hope you enjoy it. Maybe you want to consider to buy me a coffee? There is a serious reason why I ask. In life there is balance everywhere. Summer and winter, day and night, hot and cold, and so on. It's obviously natural that taking and giving is also a polarity that needs to be in balance. Only when there is balance can we, as humans, achieve harmony and genuine happiness. That means, if you take something for example from the internet, you should also give something back. Please check for yourself if your life is in balance. If you want, you can support me with a donation. That would be great. You could also support any other good project. Send someone a smile, leave somewhere a nice comment, or just be joyous and spread some love. This video gives you a short overview over the upcoming tutorials section. The first part is very closely related to the fungi life cycle. As discussed in a previous chapter, the fungi have a special life cycle. The so-called mushroom is in reality just the fruit body of fungi. Each phase of the life cycle must be met with its different challenges. That means, that the approach to generate mycelium has also to change with each stage. The four main stages you need to master are: first, the generation of agar plates. Second, the making of grain spawn runs. Third, the creating of nice big sawdust bags. These contain the needed food for the last stage. That is the fruiting stage, which directly leads to harvesting. So now that you have harvested your mushrooms, what to do with them? In chapter 2.7.1 we will dry the mushrooms. Here you see some picture, that shows you my dehydration machine and a vacuum sealed bag with reishi mushroom. In chapter 2.7.2 we create mushroom powder. The picture shows how I created my lion's mane powder. In chapter 2.7.3 we create tincture. The picture shows me performing the first extraction done with alcohol. Second extraction will be done afterwards with the usage of water. What will not be covered yet are the following topic: liquid cultures, spore prints, and the creation of gummy mushrooms. These are interesting topics, but not essential. I hope you are excited. Next, we will jump directly into the creation of agar plates. This is also very useful, if you want to clone some wild strains, or just a shiitake mushroom you bought in the supermarket one. Which further topics are you interested in? You can maybe suggest them in the comment section. Please remember to be kind when posting a comment. The world out there is hard enough already as it is right now. Thank you for joining me today. I am already looking forward to our next lecture. Skan and tag weiterin.